Hello friends, welcome back to famous and innovative YouTube channel. We are back with new innovative and interesting videos. We have gone through many videos of machine learning like text to audio, remove unwanted object from image, our latest video, Python face detection and recognition, Python facial expression from video, Python deep face recognition of image, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really innovative and really interesting. So first of all, we will go through the Python file first. First statement, import CV2 library used for image processing and performing computer vision. Next statement, import Python-tesseract, Optical Character Recognition tool for Python. It will read and recognize text in image. Next statement, to read the image, that is self.jpg. The next statement, fourth statement, to resize the image whatever you want. Then next statement, cv2.imshow to display the image. Then next statement, text is equal to pytesseract dot image to string. It is used for allows user to extract the text from the image. Then print the text. The next statement, cv2.wait key allows user to display window for particular time interval, means millisecond. And last statement, cv2.destroy all, close all the window. Now we will execute the Python file. Yes, this is the image and this is the text. We can work out here, education society, college of, and this thing, then computer science, then 46. So we have successful with displayed image and extracting text from displayed image. We will back with more videos on machine learning. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.